Okay, in this lesson I will be teaching you a trick that pops up every once in a while on number sense tests. And basically it's set up like this. If you know the percent of the first number, you're trying to figure out what number, if you take 4% of it, is equivalent to this. So 25% of 80 is the same as 4% of what number is what we're trying to figure out. So stay with me here for a minute. To do a percent of a number, remember what we always do. It's percent times the total equals the part. That is a great formula to know. Make sure the percent is as a decimal. Okay, so knowing that, we know that 25% times 80 means equals 4% of what? And you may be saying to yourself, well, that's a percentage, so I have to divide it by 100. So watch this logic real quick. I'm going to divide that by 100, but I'm also going to divide this by 100. Now, if I'm going to divide both of them by 100, it's the same as not dividing at all. So basically, those 100 dividing by hundreds are going to knock each other off because it's all multiplication. So you're basically left with 25 times 80 is the same as 4 times what? Now it turns into a really basic algebra problem because all you have now is 25 times 80 divided by 4. And that will be your answer. 80 divided by 4 is 20, and 80 divided by 4 is 20, and 20 times 25 is 500. And there you have it. All you're going to do is take the number that's on with the what number part and divide it into the other number. Forget about the percentages because at the end of the day, they're just going to knock each other off because of basic algebra. So let's do one more. 35% of 6 is the same as what percent of 7? Well, like I said before, the percentages are going to knock each other off, so you're basically left with 35 times 6 is the same as what times 7? So all you're going to do is divide this by 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So the answer is 30. Very easy trick to know. You do need to know this formula. Percent of the percent times the total equals the part is a very important formula.